This is one of the last minute change we can expect from the Apple. There are a couple of rumors regarding the new Pill Plus whole display to get to change to a single pill, but let me tell you something, this is not going to happen. And if it really does, then Apple will give you an option. Now there is a reason why I'm talking about this. Apple recorded the presentation of iPhone 14 lineup ahead of time. And according to the pre-recorded information where Tim Cook explained about the iPhone 14 Pro Max, we see the iPhone 14 Pro Max with the two hole in the display instead of just single pill, which means we are going to get this design, and if one needs single pill, he still can do it. And if you are excited about the color, then finally the purple is here. And previous rumors were indicating that we may get a gradient effect with this new color, meaning it will shift the hue to blue colors based on the lighting condition from certain angles. And this is for the first time Apple is adding this gradient effect to any color or any iPhone before. You might be shocked, some of the retailers in China already taken pre-orders of iPhone 14 lineup before the launch. And to my surprise, the prices for these devices are more than what we can expect, where iPhone 14 nearly hitting a $1,000 mark and iPhone 14 Pro Max up to $1,500. But the official pricing according to the sources are just 15% increase compared to the last generation due to parts and dollar rates, where now you can see the iPhone 14 at $749, iPhone 14 Plus will be around $849, iPhone 14 Pro will be around $1,049, and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be around $1,149. Now the base model iPhone 14 and 14 Plus will come with the same 128GB base storage option, but according to the sources, the base model on iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be 256GB. So increasing the price from the last year will justify as giving a bigger storage option. Luckily, the carrier started talking about the trade-in offers, where first one who came out was T-Mobile, but that was ahead of time and removed by the authority. But according to that picture, you can trade in your iPhone 13 Pro Max and any other flagship Android phone like S22 Ultra to get your new iPhone 14 Pro Max. And in some cases, you can actually trade off your older iPhones to get the newer one. Deals will be out once the Apple launch the iPhone 14 lineup. If you are thinking of getting a new iPhone 14, then think again. You should go for iPhone 14 Pro or iPhone 14 Pro Max, since iPhone 14 didn't come with any of the new features and will probably be the same just like the iPhone 13. Even some rumors are confirmed that Apple is putting the same A15 Bionic chipset in iPhone 14. But there are a couple of big changes we can see in the iPhone 14 Pro Max, with the new 48MP camera, new chipset A16 Bionic chip, along with the new pill hole display and other features like always-on display and bigger battery. Apple is ready to launch, and if you really want to know how this notch display can turn on or off, you can check this video. You will be happy to hear this is going to happen. We'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.